everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last week and how the price of silver can move in the next week. See, the price of silver now trading at a level of 34.13. Okay, there is a zone we have seen. The silver moves mostly in the zone. So when there is a zone breakout, we have seen there an upside. So chances are high that suppose if the price sustain above this level, we can see it can touch a level of 34.6, and once started moving above this level, chance of touching a level of 34.9 is there. Okay, and if the price moving over this level, we can see a further upside movement. But if the price didn't sustain, it can touch a level of $33.3, and from there a further downfall we can see towards 32.3. Once the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 30.9, and from there a further downfall we can see below a level of around $29. Okay, what we can see looking at this particular chart, silver is trying to go higher, but it is moving in a less volatile zone. Okay, but if the price started falling below a level of 33.5, we will see there will be a further downfall. Okay, otherwise there is an uptrend we have seen in the price of silver as well as in gold. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description. You can join that team. Okay, knew that dollar index now trading at a level of $104.01. A swing has formed, so chances are high if the price started going above this level, we can see a level of $104.6, and if that sustain a further upside movement, we can see towards a level of 105.5. Okay, this 105.5 is already weak, so chances are high the price will go further upside. Okay, once started sustaining 104.6, we can see a further upside movement we can see. If that didn't sustain, we can see a further high. If the price started going above this level, we can see a level of 106.1 to a level of 106.5, and then it will touch a level of $107.3. So a swing is forming at this level. Chance of touching a level of 106.4, we can see a level of 107.3. Okay, but if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 103.1 also we can see, and then a further downfall we can see towards $102.6. And if the price moving below that particular level, chance of touching 101.2. okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see below a level of 100.174. okay, so if the price started falling below 100.174, a further downfall. So when I'm saying that the dollar index started going upside, we will see the price of silver will come down. Okay, similarly if the dollar index started going down, we will see the price of silver will go up. This is what we can see. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, okay, let's coming back over on the silver, what we can see looking at the chart again, what we can see, first you have to understand, if you are not understanding anything, you can mail me, okay, at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, live live. Okay, and one more mail ID is there, and a telegram link also there, you can join that too. Okay, my Instagram ID is also there, you can join that too. I've just opened it. Okay, but if the price sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $34.5. okay, 34.5 is already weak, so we will see the price will go further upside and it will touch a level of 34. Okay, so once the price moving above a level of 34.9, we will see the price will go further down, further upside. Okay, and it can touch a level of around 35.3 after crossing a level of 34.9. okay, because 34.5 is a weak resistance, and then 34.9, and then a level of 35.5 we can see. And once started sustaining above this level, chances of touching a level of 37 will be there after crossing a level of 35.5. There is a higher chance that it can touch this particular level, because 35.5 is a weak resistance, and then after that we can see a small resistance at 36.4, 36.7, but chances of touching 37.4 is on a higher side. Okay, as soon as the price started going above $37. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, see, market is uncertain, you have to understand. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, it form a swing. So what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of $33.7. If the price started falling, below that particular level, chance of touching 32.7 will be there. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 32.3, and if the price started going below that particular level, chance of touching 30.9 is there. Okay, again I repeat, if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of 33.4 to a level of 33.1, and once started falling below this level, we can see a level of 32.5. If the price started going below this level, we can see a level of 32.3 to a level of 31.7, and if the price moving below this level, we can see a level of 31.5. Okay, so remember, if the price started falling below 33.7 after crossing a level of 34.1, the next resistance support coming at a 33.7 to a level of 33.4. okay, and once the price falling below 33.4, we can see the next support coming directly at 32. And once started falling below this level, a further downfall we can see towards 31.4, and then a further fall. See, this is the week chart, so chances are very high that it will move in the zone of around, you can say, $2 max of it. If the price started falling below this level, you just have to see the resistance and support, and then we can see a further fall. So if the price started falling below a level of around 32.3, there's a higher chance that it can touch a level of 31.5 to a level of 30.9. I am making a monthly video also, you can check it if the price start falling below this level. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up.